Welcome to MPK Medical Animation. Wiping after using the toilet is something we all do multiple times a day without giving it a second thought. It's such a routine part of our lives that we rarely consider whether we're doing it correctly. But this basic act of hygiene, something so fundamental to our daily routine, can actually lead to irritation if not done properly. Persistent irritation can become a real problem, affecting your comfort and well-being. In more severe cases, incorrect wiping techniques can even lead to infections and general discomfort that can impact your day-to-day life. The skin around your anus is incredibly delicate. It's one of the most sensitive areas of your body. Therefore, you should treat it with the same care and attention you would give to your face. Think of it as part of your regular skincare routine. Incorrect wiping, especially wiping back to front, can easily transfer harmful bacteria from the rectal area, which is especially concerning for women due to their anatomy. This transfer of bacteria significantly increases the risk of developing painful urinary tract infections. Furthermore, aggressive wiping using excessive force can cause tiny cuts and microabrasions in the sensitive skin. This can not only be painful, but also worsen existing conditions like hemorrhoids, making them more inflamed and uncomfortable. The truth is, most of us were never explicitly taught the right way to wipe. It's something we picked up on our own, often without proper guidance. As a result, bad habits and incorrect techniques are incredibly common, passed down through generations without question. It's also important to forget about using scented or rough toilet paper products, because these seemingly harmless items can actually do more harm than good, irritating the skin and disrupting the natural balance. In this video, we'll clear up some common misconceptions surrounding proper wiping techniques, debunking myths, and providing you with accurate information. We'll show you exactly how to wipe for better hygiene, improved health, and overall comfort, ensuring you feel fresh and clean every time. So let's break the silence surrounding this often unspoken topic and embark on a journey to learn how to properly care for ourselves from the bottom up, promoting better hygiene and well-being. When it comes to personal hygiene, especially after using the toilet, the technique you use matters significantly. It's not just about a quick swipe, it's about understanding your body and how to care for it properly. To wipe properly and maintain optimal hygiene, you need to know your anatomy. Understanding the layout of your body's sensitive areas is the first step in preventing infections and discomfort. In women, the urethra, which is the opening where urine exits the body, vagina, the muscular canal leading to the uterus, and anus, the opening for bowel movements, are all located very close together, making the direction you wipe in crucial to prevent the spread of bacteria from one area to another. This proximity means that bacteria can easily travel between these areas if proper hygiene isn't practiced. The perianal and perineal skin, which is the skin around the anus and between the anus and the genitals, is particularly thin, sensitive, and easily irritated. This delicate skin requires gentle care to avoid discomfort and potential health issues. The area is naturally moist and tends to have low airflow, creating an environment so it's prone to infection and irritation if not kept clean and dry. This moist environment can encourage the growth of unwanted bacteria and fungi. Gut bacteria like E. coli are a normal part of your digestive system and are harmless in the colon where they belong. But these same bacteria can cause infections such as urinary tract infections, UTIs, if they spread to the urethra. The female urethra is short, making it easier for bacteria to travel into the urinary tract. So bacteria can quickly reach the bladder, leading to infections and discomfort. That's why front-to-back wiping is essential for women. This technique minimizes the risk of transferring bacteria from the anal area to the urethra and vagina. The goal of wiping is simple: remove fecal matter effectively, but it's equally important to do so without spreading bacteria to other sensitive areas or damaging the delicate skin in the process. Every wipe should balance cleanliness and gentleness, ensuring you're effectively cleaning the area without causing irritation or harm. Knowing your body, understanding its anatomy, and practicing proper hygiene helps you make smart, healthy choices that contribute to your overall well-being. When it comes to personal hygiene, there's a golden rule that stands above all others. It's a simple principle, yet it's absolutely crucial for maintaining cleanliness and preventing potential health issues. This rule applies to everyone, regardless of age or gender, and is a cornerstone of proper bathroom etiquette. That golden rule is to always wipe from front to back. This direction is key to preventing the spread of bacteria and maintaining optimal hygiene in your most sensitive areas. Think of it as drawing an invisible line, always moving away from the most vulnerable spots. This is especially important for women. The female anatomy is more susceptible to infections from bacteria, so wiping from front to back is a non-negotiable step in maintaining good health and preventing discomfort. It's a small action that makes a big difference. Men should follow this practice too for best hygiene. While the risk of infection might be different, the principle remains the same. Wiping from front to back minimizes the transfer of bacteria and promotes overall cleanliness. It's a simple habit that contributes to better health. When it comes to the actual wiping motion, use a gentle patting or blotting motion. Avoid aggressive scrubbing, as this can irritate the delicate skin in the area. Think of it as a gentle touch rather than a forceful cleaning. A harsh swipe is a definite no-no. It can cause discomfort, irritation, and even micro tears in the skin, making you more vulnerable to infection. Gentleness is key. Before you even begin, fold a few sheets of soft toilet paper. The quality of the toilet paper matters too. Opt for a brand that's gentle and absorbent. Folding the paper creates a protective pad, providing a thicker and more effective barrier for cleaning. This also helps to prevent tearing and ensures a more comfortable experience. Gently pat the area using the folded toilet paper to absorb moisture and remove any residue. Remember, gentleness is paramount. Then, and this is important, use a fresh piece of toilet paper for each wipe. This prevents the reintroduction of bacteria and ensures a more thorough cleaning. Continue using fresh pieces of paper until the paper comes away clean. This is your visual cue that you've effectively cleaned the area. However, don't overdo it. There's a balance to be struck between cleanliness and excessive use of resources. Too much paper can be abrasive and wasteful, and it's not necessarily an indicator of better hygiene. In fact, excessive wiping can actually lead to irritation. If you want a cleaner finish, or if you simply prefer a more thorough approach, there are options available to you. Consider using a dampened piece of toilet paper for that final touch. The moisture can help to lift away any remaining residue. Alternatively, you could opt for a sensitive skin wet wipe. These are specifically designed to be gentle and non-irritating, making them a great choice for those with sensitive skin. Regardless of whether you use dry or dampened paper, always pat dry with clean paper or a soft towel after washing or wiping. This is crucial to prevent moisture buildup, which can create a breeding ground for bacteria. Never leave the area damp. Dampness promotes the growth of unwanted microorganisms. This can lead to irritation, discomfort, and even infection. Taking the time to dry thoroughly is a simple yet effective way to protect your health. So, to recap, clean, dry, and gentle is the way to go. By following these simple steps, you can ensure optimal hygiene and protect your health and well-being. Poor wiping habits can cause skin irritation, itching, and even painful rashes. Aggressive wiping or rough paper can create micro tears, tiny cuts that invite infection. For women, wiping back to front can transfer bacteria and cause urinary tract infections. Hemorrhoids can be aggravated by over-wiping or harsh cleaning. Over-cleaning doesn't mean better hygiene. It often leads to more problems. Gentle blotting is always safer than scrubbing. If you have hemorrhoids or anal fissures, use extra care and consider moist cleaning methods. Protect your skin by being gentle and following the right direction. The best toilet paper is soft, strong, and free from fragrances, dyes, or lotions. Scented or colored products can irritate sensitive skin. Choose unscented, plain white paper for safety. Look for soft, absorbent, and strong paper. 2-ply or 3-ply is ideal. Recycled paper is eco-friendly, but check for softness and avoid harsh chemicals. If you have sensitive skin, pick unbleached or processed chlorine-free brands. Don't be fooled by marketing. Focus on comfort and health. If irritation occurs, try a different brand. Your skin will tell you what works best. Wet wipes can clean more thoroughly than dry paper, especially for those with irritation or hemorrhoids, but many wipes contain chemicals and fragrances that can irritate sensitive skin. Moisture left behind can cause fungal or bacterial growth. Always dry the area after using wipes. Flushable wipes often clog plumbing. Never flush them, bin them instead. For a balanced approach, use dry paper first, then a sensitive skin wet wipe or dampened paper, and finish by patting dry. Choose wipes free from alcohol, parabens, and fragrances. Remember, only human waste and toilet paper should be flushed. This method keeps you clean and protects the environment. Hygiene and plumbing both matter. Toilet paper production uses trees, water, and energy, especially ultra-soft virgin pulp brands. Choosing recycled toilet paper reduces deforestation and saves resources. Modern recycled papers are much softer than before. Avoid chlorine bleach products. Look for processed, chlorine-free or unbleached options. Use less paper by folding, not wadding, and avoid waste. Bidets can dramatically cut paper use and environmental impact. Every small change helps protect forests and waterways. Your hygiene choices matter for the planet. Bidets use water to clean, offering a gentler, more effective alternative to wiping. They're especially helpful for sensitive skin, hemorrhoids, or mobility issues. Modern bidet seats and attachments are easy to install and come with features like adjustable pressure and warm air drying. Using a bidet reduces toilet paper use, saving money and trees. Less paper means less waste in sewers and landfills. The initial investment pays off in comfort, health, and environmental benefits. Washing beats wiping for cleanliness and comfort. Consider making the switch for a better bathroom experience. Here's your quick guide to healthy wiping. Do wipe front to back, use gentle motions, and choose soft unscented paper. Do consider water for extra cleanliness and always dry thoroughly. Do listen to your body. Persistent irritation means it's time to change products or see a doctor. Do teach these habits to your children. Don't wipe back to front or scrub aggressively. Don't use scented or colored paper or flash wipes. Don't ignore ongoing symptoms. Get checked if problems persist. Don't leave the area damp. With these simple habits, you'll stay clean, comfortable, and healthy every day. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and press the bell for more educational content. Thank you for watching.